Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by crushing 8 Oreos into coarse crumbs and separating 2 eggs. You want texture and lift. Combine 3 tablespoons sugar with the egg yolks and whisk until slightly pale so the batter holds air. Once done, fold in 3 tablespoons flour and 2 tablespoons cocoa to bind. Add the warm melted 40g butter and 50g dark chocolate so the fats emulsify. Make sure ramekins are greased. Then distribute a spoonful of Oreo crumbs into each base. You now create the molten core by pressing a half mini Oreo or a small chocolate truffle into the center of each filled ramekin. This becomes the lava. Whip the 2 egg whites to soft peaks so the cakes rise without collapsing, then fold them into the batter gently. This keeps structure while preserving a tender crumb. Fill ramekins 3/4 full, tapping lightly to settle batter and remove big bubbles. Once filled, cover each ramekin with foil to trap steam during stovetop cooking. You finish by arranging ramekins on a trivet above simmering water, cover the pot, and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. This gentle steam sets edges while keeping centers molten. Once time is up, remove and rest 3 minutes so the center firms slightly. Invert onto plates and the lava should ooze. If a toothpick shows wet batter, steam an extra 1 to 2 minutes. If the center is fully set and not runny, reduce cook time by 1 minute on the next batch to restore molten flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.